Hi, my name is Michele, and I'm addicted to coughing. Amanda coughs about 3,000 times a day, and no, she's not sick. My daughter's crazy. My daughter's like crazy. She coughs and coughs for no reason. She coughs on the food. There's nothing wrong with the food. She's not allergic. She just coughs. Coughs for no reason. She's crazy. Okay, sweetie, I made the food. I'm gonna be running a little late today to work, so I have to leave. Okay, I hope you enjoy your food, sweetie. Stop coughing on my food. I worked hard to make this food, and you don't care. Your computer. I'm not sick or anything. I just like coughing. I like the way it just scratches my throat. It feels good. It's starting to hurt my throat.